Chris Marziak, the CEO of Crypto.com, is speaking out against some Crypto.com FUD. And this is happening at a time where there's some actual very positive breaking news happening for Crypto.com and officially surpassing Coinbase in a very key metric that I want to talk about in this video. I also want to talk about CRO versus Bitcoin. A lot of people have been asking me on my live streams about, why is everybody so quiet about CRO? I laid out a very beautiful explanation in my live stream earlier today that I want to hash out with you guys in this recorded video here today so that everybody can kind of be aware of it, because I know not everybody tunes into live streams. If you want to check out our live streams, they are happening Monday through Friday at about noon Central Standard Time every single week. So check it out if you haven't done so already. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me hop right into this stuff. So if you haven't noticed, Bitcoin's been doing tremendously well. It is up 3.59% today alone, which is great. And here's the crazy part right now about Bitcoin. If you can see this chart, 72,300 at the time of this recording. How far is it away from previous all-time highs? 2.08%. What we've got going on as well in the daily candles is Bitcoin was very, very close on this daily candle. Now, I've got a couple lines I want to describe for you. First of all, this line right here, this is right line, actually kind of a little bit off, right lined up with this previous all-time high, right at about 73,776 and kind of right around that area. And this other yellow line right here is the line where these daily candles closed for Bitcoin back towards this previous high. So we wicked up to about 73,800 or so. And then the body of these daily candle closes for Bitcoin landed right at about $73,000. And we just had our daily candle close just below that. So today we had a chance for Bitcoin to close above its previous highest ever daily candle close in history, and it did not do it. Does that mean that we're going to come down? I don't think so, but I will tell you this. It could trickle back down to this $70,000 level. Look for a bounce off this range and then continue on up. But I'll tell you, I wouldn't be surprised to see us just blasting off through the rest of this week. Why am I talking about Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is stealing the show. And if you want to know about CRO, then all you have to simply do is look at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart, which I could show you right here, which is losing value. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Ethereum is underperforming versus Bitcoin. I can show you the Avalanche versus Bitcoin chart. This is another chain out there that's not doing very well versus Bitcoin. I could show you the Crocoin versus Bitcoin chart, which is not doing very well either. So if you're growing impatient with CRO, the real story that you're growing impatient with is just altcoins versus Bitcoin in general. Here's the theory. Once Bitcoin breaks through this previous high at $73,800-ish, what we're going to experience is a lot of money flowing into Bitcoin. In conjunction with that, we're going to see the total market cap continue to break out. And as you're looking at the time of this recording, today, we are actually on the daily candle. We just had our first daily green candle close above this range that we've been trading in for the total market cap for crypto for 240 days. A daily green candle out of this says what? It says that Bitcoin is headed higher, but also that the other coins in the crypto market are headed higher, which means what? Altcoins are about to go up. Once the altcoins can blast past this, the total market cap and blast past this 3 trillion total market cap all-time high we had in the past, move towards $5 or $10 trillion, altcoins are going to rally, and that's all going to happen because of Bitcoin. Now, let's get into the specific news that I want to talk to you guys about today regarding Crypto.com. The biggest story on the day is this. Crypto.com officially overtakes Coinbase in global trading volume fueled by vast altcoin trading. Specifically, they're overperforming versus Coinbase in North America, but apparently, according to this article, it is global. So this is actually really exciting. Why is this happening? Because they're tapping into altcoins potentially a little bit more than Coinbase. And so what are they getting? They're getting more traders, getting more volume, and they're gaining a lot of users. They got a lot of great features on their app. They've got excellent marketing from the Staples Center turning into Crypto.com Arena, from the F1 racing partnership they have to the FIFA World Cup partnership that they had when that happened last time around. and so many more things. And now they recently actually just got some negative news, which was a crackdown in the United States by the SEC has reduced the overall trading volume in the country. Well, I thought this was going to say the SEC just issued a Wells notice to Crypto.com recently. We know this, but honestly, I think this is going to help Crypto.com over time. But there is some FUD out there and fake news that KRIS Marsliak was not shy to call out today. So KRIS put out this tweet earlier, and by the way, just you can see he's excited about this Crypto.com dominating crypto trading in North America, overtaking Coinbase, the leader in the region. So this is very exciting. They're very, very happy about this, obviously. Talking about November, December. He's bullish for November, December. Very great. But anyway, this tweet from KRIS Marsliak is the big one. Let's zoom in on it. First of all, this post is unavailable. Well, why is this post unavailable? Well, this account right here, this Peter Smith guy, whoever the heck this is, CEO and co-founder of blockchain.com, who's got 1.3 million followers, and I'm not following him. Maybe this is why. Let's talk about it. He is calling out this one more Peter account, KRIS Marsliak is, because he is challenging, we haven't done any layoffs recently, stop spreading falsehoods, is lying and switching off comments your social media strategy? And so this would go to this post, which is now gone. He pulled off the post, but what I can tell you is this post, before it was gone, I looked at it, and I can tell you that the comments were disabled, and he put out some fake news saying that specifically many exchanges, but specifically naming Crypto.com was going through layoffs, which they have not been doing recently. We're in a bull market. Crypto.com did layoffs in the bear market. We're in a bull market. They're leading in volume. They're making incredible fees. They don't need to do layoffs. This was a fake news story. Very interesting to see, and super good to see KRIS Marsliak calling this out. I'm very also excited for the meme coin mania that could potentially revitalize itself on Crypto.com's Cronos chain. You look at this news that Crypto.com is dominating exchange volumes. You look at this news that KRIS Marsliak is not afraid to call out his competition that's spreading FUD about his team. And you look at the conversation happening lately in the meme coin community, there's a lot of speculation, a lot of rumors that mystery Mary coin, the ghost of Cronos essentially, could potentially get listed on Crypto.com. We've seen that before, as you guys know, with Crow with Knife. It sent Crow with Knife coin absolutely flying. Can we see that again with Mary? I want to know what you guys think in the comments down below. At this point, it is only rumors. We've talked about the rumors before. I'm not going to hash them out again. But Halloween is just in a short day or two, and it is coming up fast. I think it's in 2 days, so we've got 2 more days before that news comes. Do you think we're going to pump, or do you think we're going to dump on that news for the Mystery Mary token? I will tell you this, regardless of how this thing shakes out, I'm bullish on Cronos, guys, because KRIS Marsliak's not afraid to speak out against the competition. I'm bullish on Cronos, guys, because Bitcoin's about to break out into a parabolic bull market, and the total market cap is about to go into price discovery mode, moving past $3 trillion, going possibly to $5 trillion or $10 trillion. If the total market cap was to go to $10 trillion, then you've got $7.7 trillion yet to flow into the space. That is hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of billions of dollars that's going to flow into not just Bitcoin, but into the altcoin market as well, which means that we're going to see coins like Avalanche start to come back versus Bitcoin. Coins like Ethereum start to come back versus Bitcoin in their value. And we're probably going to see CRO come back in value versus Bitcoin as well. The Cronos chain has only existed in this upcoming bull market. It launched in the peak of the last bull market and really was only around for a bear market. This is the first bull market where Bitcoin's breaking to new highs, where Cronos chain has truly been around. And it's hard to say whether it's going to be the #1 chain, the 10th largest chain, the 100th largest chain. I don't know, but I will tell you this. There's going to be billions and billions of dollars flowing into crypto. Cronos chain is one of the bigger chains out there. It's in the top 20 in TVL. And there's some memes in there that some people have paid attention to in the past. Corgi AI got to $1 billion. Crow with Knife got to $100 million. Mary token, I think at one point got up to, I want to say, what did it get to? I can tell you right here. It got up to a $37 million market cap, and it is much lower than that right now. I think that is money pours into crypto. The meme coin mania can continue on Cronos again. The Crow coin price should have some recovery action versus Bitcoin, but we just need to remain patient. We're waiting. The true story is we're waiting for an altcoin rally, and it just hasn't come yet. If you want to leverage trade CRO, you can sign up for a new and upcoming exchange called Blowfin. You can sign up using the link in the comments, pin in the comments down below. Just as an example, you can trade CRO on this exchange. No KYC required. Check it out if you want to. Please know nothing in this video is financial advice, as it never is. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm very bullish on crypto. I'm looking forward to this pump on Bitcoin. I think we can take out a new all-time high soon for BTC, and maybe then we get that altcoin pump for CRO and the rest of the market. That's all I got. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA Hold. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Peace.